Good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to online math class. You know that previous day we have done up to question number 2 of exercise number 8.2, that is of binomial theorem. Today we will solve from question number 3. So first of all go through the question. Question number 3 of exercise number 8.2 of binomial theorem. The question is, write the general term in the expansion of x square minus y whole to the power 6. X square minus y whole to the power 6. You have to write here the general term. So you know the formula of general term TR plus 1, that is NCR a to the power n minus r b to the power r of the expansion of a plus b to the power n. Okay, I am telling you the formula again: NCR a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. Here we can see in this particular problem here n equals to 6, so it will be 6CR. Then instead of a it will be x square, so x square to the power 6 minus r into, instead of b it will be minus y to the power r. So just break the formula of 6 here, that means the NCR. You know that the formula will be n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So it will be 6 factorial by r factorial into 6 minus r factorial, and then it will be x to the power 12 minus 2r, then into minus 1 to the power r into y to the power r. So that is the general term of the expansion of x square minus y to the power whole 6. So that is our question number 3. Now move on to the question number 4. Again, in the question number 4, you have to write the general term of the expansion of x square minus yx to the power 12. So here TR plus 1 equals to 12CR into x square to the power 12 minus r into minus yx to the power r. That is the general term, that is TR plus 1. The formula is again NCR into e to the power n minus r into b to the power r. Here instead of n we put 12, instead of a we put x square, instead of b we put minus yx. So it will be 12 factorial by r factorial into 12 minus r factorial, then x square to the power 12 minus r, that means it will be x to the power 24 minus 2r, then minus 1 to the power r into y to the power r into x to the power r. So it will be ultimately minus 1 to the power r into 12 factorial by r factorial into 12 minus r factorial into, after simplifying for x, it will be x to the power 24 minus r, because here 24 minus 2r, and in the last term x to the power r. So after calculating it will give you x to the power 24 minus r into y to the power r. So that is the general term of x square minus yx to the power 12. So that is our question number 4. Now move on to question number 5. Move on to question number 5. You also do it with me in your copy. So the question number 5, go through the problem. Find the fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y to the power 12. You have to find the fourth term of the expansion of x minus 2y to the power 12. Fourth term means T4. That means you may write here T3 plus 1. So here r equals to 3. So it will be 12C3 into x to the power 12 minus 3 into minus 2y to the power 3. Okay. Then it will be 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 9 factorial minus 1, it will give you minus 1. So I am writing here minus in the at the beginning. Then there is a 2 cube, that means 8, and the last term is y cube. Okay, now just do the calculation. Do it. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial by 3 into 2 into 9 factorial. 9 factorial cancel out from both denominator and numerator, and then after cancelling 12 by 3 will be 4, and again 4 by 3 will be 2. So 2 into 11 into 10 into there is a 8, and then x to the power 9 and y cube. Okay, so finally we got here minus rubbing the upper portion, and the last line will be minus 1760, then x to the power 9 and y cube. So that is the fourth term, T4. That is the fourth term of the expansion of x minus 2y to the power 12. So question number 5 is done. Now move on to question number 6. Question number 6. Find the 13th term of the expansion of 9x minus 1 by 3 root x to the power 18. You are asked to find the 13th term. That means T13. That means you may write here T13 means T12 plus 1. So here the value of R is 12. So it will be 18C12 into 9x to the power 18 minus 12 into minus 1 by 3x to the power 12. So it will be 18 factorial by 12 factorial into 6 factorial into 9 to the power 6 into x to the power 6. Then here the power of minus is an even, it will be positive. So 1 by 3 to the power 12, that is minus will be removed from here, into 1 by x to the power 6. So you can see from the board that x to the power 6 is cancelled out. So there is no variable left in this problem. All the terms are here constant. So do the calculation. That is your work. Do it at your home. Do the calculation and find the ultimate result. That is the T13. Okay. So this is the question number 6. Now we will move on to question number 7. Question number 7. Here, find the middle term of the expansion. Question number 7. Middle term of the expansion of 3 minus x cube by 6 to the power 7. Find the middle term. So here, you can see here n equals to 7. Therefore, number of terms will be 7 plus 1, that is 8. That means it is even. So number of term is even. So the middle term will be, so there will be 2 middle terms because the number of term is even, that is 8. There will be 2 middle terms. So middle term will be 8 by 2, that is fourth term, and the next one, that is the fifth term. So for finding the middle term, you have to find here the fourth term and fifth term, that is the T4 and T5. So first of all, we will find T4. So T4, the first middle term. T4 means you may write here T3 plus 1. So it will be 7C3 into 3 to the power minus xs cube by 6 to the power 3. Okay, so just do the calculation. 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 to the power 4. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into minus 1 to the power 3 into xs cube by 6 cube. So 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, so minus 1 to the power 3 means there will be a minus at the beginning. Then 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial will be cancelled out. 3 into 2 into 4 factorial. After cancelling 6 by 3, it will be 2 and then it will be cancelled out. So it will give you 7 into 5, 35. And here also 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So 3 by 8 xs cube. So minus 35 into 3, that will give you 105. So 105 by 8 into xs cube. It is T4. Sorry, here it will be xs cube to the power 3. So here it will be x to the power 9. Okay, just do one correction. Here x cube to the power 3. So it will be x to the power 9. So the answer is minus 105 by 8 into x to the power 9. That is our T4. Now we will find T5. This is the first middle term. Now we will find T5. That means you may write here T4 plus 1. That means it will be 7C4 into 3 to the power 7 minus 4, that is 3, into minus xs cube by 6 to the power 4. So 7C4, again 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial, and here it will be 3 into 3 into 3 by 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into x to the power 12. Okay. Now just little bit earlier we have find here 7C3, this is 7C4. Now 7C3 and 7C4 will give the same value because NCR equals to NCN minus R. You know that. Okay. So it will give you 35 again. It will be 35 into here, after cancelling all the 3's, we get at the denominator 48. So 35 by 48 into x to the power 12. Also the minus will be removed from here because minus 1 to the power even number is here. So that's why there is no minus. So T5 is 35 by 48 into x to the power 12. So the two middle terms are here, T4 and T5, and the value of T4 is minus 105 by 8 into x to the power 9, and the value of T5, the other middle term, 35 by 48 into x to the power 12. So we have done up to question number 1 of 7 today. Next day we will be back again here from the question number 8. Okay. Till then, goodbye.